Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a border to a video in Capcut. Let's begin. Adding a border to a video in Capcut is a simple way to give your video a stylish, polished look. It can help with branding, making your content stand out on social media, or even just add a creative touch to your videos. Whether you want a subtle frame or something more bold, Capcut makes it easy to add borders. Now, open the Capcut app on your mobile device, and I want you to click the new project if you want to begin your work and start from scratch. But if you have a project already in place, just click on it to begin editing. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this video right here, which is kind of easy for us to create a border. All right. So I want you to click the video right here by clicking the overlay. Select that. You want to make sure to decrease the size right here so we can add a border. All right. And for us to do that, to create a border, and then hover down below where you can find the background. For example, this. I'm going to click on it. And then go to the brand backgrounds or color. It's kind of easy. You have 4 options. Click the color. For example, we're going to create a yellow background in it. So you see, you can simply resize the video so you can create a yellow background with it. And then from there, click the check button. You can also change the color or whatever color that you want. You can change from white or black. You can choose from any of the following: white, of course, orange, red, or you can use the color picker to kind of like play around to create the border that you want. All right. And then simply choose what best represents your brand and identify your identity. Of course, from here, just click the, maybe this one would suffice. Once you're happy with that, click the check button. All right. And then just play along. Make sure that you have created a video that has a border in it. And if you're happy with the effects, all you have to do is click the export button on the top right corner. And then once you're happy, you have the option to send this video to your client for feedback, or if you are a part of a collaborative environment, you might want to send it to your team members or multiple freelancers. You can also share it to TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and a lot more. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.